Well, a third person in South Africa has tested positive for COVID-19. The 3 infected patients were part of a group of 10 people travelling together on a recent trip to Italy. In many parts of South Africa, people are bracing for its possible arrival. Schools are teaching children, teachers and parents about prevention measures to guard against infection. Rene Del Carme has more.
The Western Cape Education Department says it's taking its lead from health authorities, and right now it's using education as its main weapon in the war against the virus. It's distributed letters and posters to all schools in the province to spread awareness and educate school kids, teachers and parents about the coronavirus.
It is about general good hygiene, sneezing, use a tissue, throw the tissue away, wash your hands, general cleanliness in schools. At the same time, we will be liaising with the Department of Health and how we would move forward should there be a case that is reported in an area, whether we would be the closure of schools to isolate any incidents. That will all be decided upon once we get to that stage.
We're fortunate the majority of our kids are well informed. They have the technology, and as you know, social media is extremely powerful tool. So I think they are very, very aware. I think it's just to ensure that we don't panic.
School holidays in the Western Cape start in about 2 weeks, and some tough decisions will have to be taken as to whether or not learners will be able to travel abroad during this time.
Right now, South Africa hasn't got a travel ban to other countries, so we are waiting and relying on information at this stage, but there isn't any communication at this stage that suggests that we should tell schools that they cannot take these trips to other countries.
The department says it's also extremely concerned about the impact an outbreak of COVID-19 could have on underprivileged kids who rely on the school feeding scheme for meals, and what effect it will have on teaching time in the classroom.
Our main concern is the protection of teaching and learning time. Our learners are only at schools for 200 days a year, and we would want to ensure that we can finish the curriculum in any given year. So that is our main concern, obviously apart from the health and safety of learners and teachers.
We just have to be vigilant, and when we get given instructions to take steps like hygiene, washing your hands, we should adhere to that so that we minimize the risk to everybody around us.
There have been 32 suspected cases of the novel coronavirus so far in the Western Cape province. According to the Health Department, every one of them has tested negative. Rene Del Carme, CGTN, Cape Town, South Africa.